Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to add audio to a Canva website in a pretty easy process. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Canva website, then just go to the home page and search for any random websites or the website that you are looking for. So just I'll just select this one here, click on customize template. So after you select your website, you will get to see the option for publishing it also. So just if you want to add audio to it, just go to the upload section and look for the audio that you want to add. For this audio, this audio is not supported for this website, but if your website supports it, you can just click on it and drag it here and your audio will be added to your website. So that's it with the video guys. I hope it helps you. Thanks for watching and take care.